Thank you for watching me make those ninja throwing spikes out of drill bits with basic tools. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, give it a share, and let me know in the comments if you like seeing these videos where I make things from basic tools. I'd definitely be interested in making a lot more things like that. While you're here as well, check out the description where you'll find links to my sponsors and my social media pages. And if you can, check out my Patreon where you can help support me making more videos. And I'll see you in 2 weeks for my next video. That's a wrap. Stick around for some outtake. And if you aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Take this. And while you're in the comments, then heads up in the comments. Fucking check out fucking my other video. And video fucking